Hello guys, welcome to yet another new session of my channel, that is Ritija Ki Pathshala, and myself Ritija Nirvan. In the previous lectures we have seen regarding the clauses, what are the different types of clauses, how we can the usage of the clauses and the different scenarios where we can use that clauses. If you have not seen this, if you don't know about the clauses and about all this in the SQL Server Management Studio, then please go to my channel, that is Ritija Ki Pathshala. There you will find all the videos in detail regarding the clauses. Now in today's lecture we are going to see what is aggregate function, the types of aggregate function and the uses of each one. Okay, so now as you can see on my screen guys, aggregate function. So now I would like to tell you guys, aggregate functions means the name itself tells you anything, that whenever we work with the numeric, that is numbers, at that time the aggregate function will come into the picture. Okay, now there are 5 types of aggregate function. As you can see on my screen, minimum, that is the minimum value, maximum value, that is the highest value, then sum, and then average, and then count. Okay, now in the today's lecture we are going to see the minimum aggregate function. So what is minimum? Basic definition of minimum value is that whenever you have the group of values, from that the smallest value from that particular group is called as a minimum value. Okay, now what I am talking about, let's have a look into the practical form. So now I would like to fetch one of the table from my database, that is select star from, I am writing a query to fetch the table. Okay, I don't have this one. I need to connect this. Yes guys, see, it is not connected, that's why it is not looking here. So it might happen with you as well. You need to connect your server and give the password which you have given while downloading the server. Okay, so connect. Okay, fine. Again, one new thing we are having, you need to close this and you need to save yes. Okay, now just go to your database. Now go to your file and go to the recent file option and go to your file whichever your file is. See, I'm getting my file now. I'm getting that activate. This is activated. So here you can click on your database. What is your database name? That is data_science_1. Okay. Now see. Now from this I would like to fetch one of the table. So employee, see, I've got the recommendation, that means you are connected successfully. Now select star from employee details, that is table name and semicolon. Now just select this piece of code and hit the execute button. So see, you can see all the details of this table. The column is employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, salary and department number. Now you want that minimum aggregate function, what is it? So see, what you can do, if you want you want the minimum employee number from all the records, you want minimum employee number record. Okay, so what you will do, select min, and my column name is emp employee number from, now my table name is employee details table. Okay, semicolon. Okay, so see, as soon as I have written my table name, it is able to identify that this column belongs to this table and it has removed the red line here. Okay, so this is the thing also you need to keep it in your mind. Now select this piece of code and hit the execute button. See, you can see the 701 is the smallest employee number from the employee details table. If you want to recheck it, please go to the original table. By this query, select star from the table name and see 7001 is the smallest number from all, 7002 and then so on. Okay, now again one thing, if you want to give, whenever you are executing this code, see, your column name is nothing here, no column name is going. If you want to give the column name, so you can give here as colons, that is inverted commas, minimum employee number. Okay, from employee details, select this piece of code and hit the execute button. See, you got the column name as you have given, minimum employee number and 701. Okay, so this is one of the scenario. Again we will take another example for the more clarity. If I want the MGR, minimum MGR number from this table, what code I will write here? I will write simply select. Now I want minimum value, so min, and then from which column I want minimum value, MGR. Okay, Now as minimum, then MGR. Okay, from which table name? Employee details. Wait, employee. Okay, semicolon, and then select this piece of code. Select minimum MGR as minimum MGR from employee details and hit the execute button. See, minimum MGR, and you can find the minimum MGR as 7171. If you want to recheck it, please go to the original table by the query, select star from table name, and see MGR is 7171 is the smallest, and after that you will find 767877 74 7443 is the second highest. Okay, so this is the thing. Whenever you want to find the minimum value from the group of the values, you can use this command, and if you want to give the column name, you can give as and give the column name as per your requirement, whatever you want to give. Okay, so this is all about the minimum aggregate function. Okay, minimum aggregate function. So for in today's lecture, guys, we have seen minimum aggregate function, its usage and how we can use it, and what scenario it will be useful for you as well. So guys, if you find any kind of difficulty in understanding my things, and if you are finding any kind of difficulty when you are performing at your end, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely reach you out. I will help you out. If you want any kind of improvement into my lecture as per your understanding and requirement, then please write down into the comment section. I will definitely look into it and I will make changes according to that. Now guys, if you have any special kind of request from my end regarding this SQL Server Management Studio or Data Science and Artificial Intelligence course, this field, then please write down into the comment section. I will definitely help you out. If you want any career guidance, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely help you out, guys, with what should be the path for the career path for if you have particular kind of scenario at your end. Okay, that educational background and all that thing. Now if you like my video and if you are able to follow whatever I am teaching to you guys and whatever way I am teaching to, so please go to my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get each and every video at your end whenever I am posting on my channel. And thank you so much guys for your very precious time, and have a nice day ahead.